Welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, if you could check, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you could hit me a like, it would really help me out in the algorithm and I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Now tonight what I've got is 5 different encounters from UFOs or abduction cases that happened in the 1980s in the UK. Let's begin. Number 1. The Todmorden Abduction, November 28, 1980. In the early hours of November 28, 1980, in the town of Todmorden, West Yorkshire, Police Constable Alan Godfrey experienced an event that has since become one of the UK's most renowned UFO encounters. While on patrol investigating reports of missing cattle, PC Godfrey encountered a peculiar diamond-shaped object hovering above the road. The object was approximately 20 feet wide and 14 feet high, rotating and emitting a bright light. As he attempted to radio for assistance, his communication devices malfunctioned. Suddenly he found himself 30 yards further down the road, with a 25-minute lapse in time. His boot was split, and he had an itchy red mark on his foot. Later, under hypnosis, PC Godfrey recalled being taken aboard a craft and subjected to medical examination by humanoid beings. This incident has been the subject of extensive investigation and debate, with some attributing it to extraterrestrial activity and others suggesting alternative explanations. Number 2. The Rendlesham Forest Incident, December 26 to the 28th, 1980. Often dubbed as Britain's Roswell, the Rendlesham Forest Incident occurred over 3 nights between December 26th and December 28th, 1980, near RAF Woodbridge in Suffolk. US Air Force personnel reported witnessing unexplained lights descending into the forest. Upon investigation, they encountered a metallic triangular object approximately 2 to 3 metres across, emitting a pulsating light. The object reportedly had hieroglyphic-like symbols on its surface. The following day, triangular impressions were found on the forest floor, and radiation levels were reportedly higher than the norm. Despite official explanations attributing the sightings to misidentified celestial events or even nearby lighthouse beams, the incident remains one of the UK's most compelling UFO cases in the UK. Number 3. The Ilkley Moor Encounter, December the 1st, 1987. On December 1st, 1987, a retired officer referred to by the pseudonym Philip Spencer was walking across Ilkley Moor in West Yorkshire when he encountered a strange creature. He managed to photograph the being, which appeared humanoid but with distinct, non-human features. Following the encounter, Spencer experienced a period of missing time. Under hypnosis, he recalled being taken aboard a craft and subjected to medical examinations by the entities. The photograph he captured was analysed by experts, including Kodak Laboratories, which confirmed that the image was not superimposed, though the subject's nature remains a topic of debate. Number 4. The Basingstoke Canal Abduction, August 12, 1983. In August 1983, 77-year-old Alfred Burtoo was fishing along the Basingstoke Canal near Aldershot when he observed a bright light descending nearby. 2 humanoid beings approximately 4 feet tall and dressed in pale green overalls with helmets approached and escorted him onto their disc-shaped craft. Inside, he was subjected to a medical examination, The beings communicated in English, with an accent described as a mix of Chinese and Russian. After determining his age, they informed him he was too old for their purposes and released him unharmed. Number 5. The Budleigh Salterton Encounter, April 21st, 1981. On April 21st, 1981, a 35-year-old camper from Kingston upon Thames was staying in a field near Budleigh, Salterton, Devon. Around 4:30 a.m. he was awakened by bright lights near a farm building. Investigating further, he observed a revolving oval craft with flashing lights. An invisible force pinned him to the ground, and he experienced a sharp pain in his back. After approximately 2 hours, he returned to his tent and noticed 2 small puncture marks above his swollen ankle. In the following days, he felt a persistent sensation of being watched. UFO investigators concluded that he may have had been taken aboard the craft and medically examined, based on the missing time and physical marks. Thank you for joining me this evening. Sweet dreams.